how to change your default browser on Mac. So doing this is quite easy. Yes, the menus have changed with macOS 26, which is Tahoe, which is obviously the one that I'm running right now. So I'll just show you how to do it, and it's very easy as well. So as you can see, I have Brave, I have Safari, and I also have Google Chrome. Honestly, I like Brave or Google Chrome. But how did I change my default browser? You just have to go to settings. In settings, you have a lot of options over here. Here you have desktop and dock. Click on desktop and dock. In desktop and dock, there are a lot of options. Don't be overwhelmed. You just have to scroll down till you see default web browser. In there, you can just select one of the 3 browsers that I currently have installed. If you install any more web browsers, they will also show up in this list. So let's, for example, say I want to change back to Safari. I just have to click Safari, and that is my default web browser. Again, if I want to select Chrome, that is now my default web browser. That is all you have to do. But you don't always have to follow this process of coming to settings. You can just press command plus space, that is your spotlight search, and type in default web browser. So as you can see, this option has popped up. Double click on it and it will directly take you to default web browser. Let's change it back to Brave. So that was a very quick fix. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.